We got this magnet for magnet fishing. Extremely powerful. I think it's supposed to lift 200 or 250 pounds. Keep out of the reach of children. First time trying it out officially. Let's see how it goes. See what's in the box. Little welcome card. Customer team. Little straps and a little scraper. Oh, that's the scrape when you catch stuff on the magnet. You get a lot of black sand from understand it, which could contain gold. Rubber gloves. Don't really need them. The magnet itself. Very solid, durable. And a line to drag it along the bottom. Also has a hook stuff, or maybe to use as an anchor if you're in a boat, a little kayak or something, and a nice carrying bag. I'm just going to use the rope and the magnet, drag it along and see what I can find. One thing I can say off the get-go, this cord is very long, but maybe for trolling off a boat or something, eh? But just try to keep it untangled. Drag it around here and see if you can catch anything. Well, got lots of iron. Now you can save this and then sift it out later, or yeah, sluice it out, and it might be gold in with the iron. But I'm just going to clean it off, see if we can find something more significant. Interesting how the rocks can stick to it. Must be a lot of iron in the rock. But don't see anything significant this time. Definitely sucks it up though. Magnetizes it up. But there's a nice log out there about where the white buoy is. Put the cam on and so I can swim out there and take a little quick clip of it while I'm here. wasn't able to mount the GoPro on the mask, but I got the waterproof case, so I just held it in my hand, took a chance that I wouldn't drop it. I think I got some good footage though. Yeah, I wasn't able to find the log, but it is out there. I'll link a video where I was out there last year. You'll see what I mean. Unless they hauled it out of the lake for some reason. But I might have been by the wrong buoy also. But it's a beautiful day. Just relax here for a bit and then head back home base. I worked up an appetite today doing all that swimming. Swam from 3 buoys. They're about 150 feet apart. Looking for that log. Catch you on the next video. Stay safe and have fun.